I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Scrumptious Inari Sushi recipe. There are few sushis out there with the sweet and deep-fried exterior that releases a burst of flavor with every bite. This Japanese Inari Sushi just does that. It is a super easy sushi to make and really only requires two main ingredients: a rice and a borage, deep-fried tofu pouches. Each pouch of a borage is simmered and cooked with water, miso paste, soy sauce, and dashi before being stuffed with ball-shaped sushi rice. If you're a vegetarian or vegan who's been looking for a sushi you can enjoy without the dread of finding seafood in it, this is the perfect cooked sushi for you. Special Inari Sushi recipe from my aunt with step-by-step photos video, including a secret ingredient to enhance the fragrance and enrich the flavor. What is Inari Sushi? Inari Sushi is a type of sushi with rice balls wrapped in a borage deep-fried tofu pouches. Known as Inari Sushi in Japan, this sushi is a little different. Inari, the name, is derived from the Inari shrine. For an offering to the Shinto god Inari, this sushi was used. Because the favorite food of the Shinto god messenger fox is said to be a borage. What is a borage? A borage is a delicious deep-fried soy product. Thin deep-fried tofu is a borage. Thick deep-fried tofu is atsuage. You can buy a borage from any Asian grocery stores or Japanese grocery stores. I often use a borage for making miso soup and kitsune udon. You can freeze them and it will store in the freezer for a month. When making Inari Sushi, the borage is simmered in sweet soy sauce. Then cooked until most of the liquid evaporates, because in this time the borage absorbs the sweet soy sauce. Simple. Two main ingredients of Inari Sushi. Inari Sushi is a typical simple but sophisticated flavored Japanese dish. Because it is so simple and requires only two main ingredients, sushi rice and seasoned borage, we need to prepare those two ingredients well. You will need to read my post on how to make perfect sushi rice. We cannot compromise sushi rice quality, you need to make it perfect. For preparing tasty tofu pockets to wrap sushi rice balls, follow the tips that I learned from my aunt Keiko. Kokushiaji. Kokushiaji is the secret flavor which enhances the entire flavor. For this recipe, kokushiaji is miso paste. You will not notice the miso because it is not the dominant flavor, but it enhances the fragrance and enriches the flavor as a whole. 3 tips from my aunt Keiko for making Inari Sushi. 1. Unuki. A unuki is removing excess oil off the borage by pouring boiling hot water over it. 2. Add a tiny amount of miso paste to enhance the flavor. 3. Cook the borage until all the liquid has evaporated. Why? Because this concentrates the sweet soy sauce base. Also, in this time the borage absorbs the sauce, which increases the intense flavor. FAQ. Q. Can I add something to the sushi rice? Or top the rice with something? A. Yes, of course. I sometimes add roasted white sesame seeds into the sushi rice. Make the sushi rice and when you add sushi vinegar, also add sesame seeds. In Australia, you can buy upside-down Inari Sushi topped with mayo and crab meat or seaweed. Let your imagination run wild and be creative. Q. I don't have miso, what can I substitute it with? A. If you don't have miso, you can omit the secret ingredient, or as one of the readers suggested in the comments below, if you have oyster sauce, you could try it too. Add only a tiny amount. Q. Don't we have to roll a borage pockets with a chopstick or handle of a wooden spoon to open up the pocket? How do we open the pocket? A. You would think that the pocket opened magically and easily except rice ball rolling in. Because those pockets cooked long enough till all liquid absorbed and evaporated, it opens up without any extra steps. Hope you enjoy making my Aunt Keiko's Inari Sushi recipe. Aunt Keiko's Inari Sushi. Special Inari Sushi recipe from my aunt with step-by-step photos video. Including a secret ingredient to enhance the fragrance and enrich the flavor. Course: rice dish. Cuisine: Japanese. Prep time: 5 minutes. Cook time: 30 minutes. Total time: 35 minutes. Servings: 12. Calories: 200 kilocalories. Equipment: hangiri. A saucepan. Ingredients: 600 grams sushi rice. 6 abura. Cut them in half and make 12. 240 milliliters water. 1 teaspoon dashi powder. 30 grams sugar. 1/2 teaspoon miso paste. 25 milliliters soy sauce. 1/2 tablespoon black sesame seeds to sprinkle. Instructions: cook and prepare the sushi rice. My sushi rice uses 2 cups of uncooked rice and I used about 2/3 of the entire cooked rice. 1. Cut the aborayage pieces in half. Pour boiling hot water over the aborayage to remove the excess oil. Bring 1 cup of water in a saucepan to boil over high heat and add dashi powder. Add sugar, soy sauce to the saucepan. Turn the heat down to medium, add aborayage and cook for 10 minutes. Add miso paste and cook until all liquid has absorbed and evaporated. Turn the heat off and cool it down completely. Make 12 round and cylinder-shaped sushi rice balls, each weigh about 50 grams. Open the aborayage pouch gently without breaking and insert 1 sushi rice ball and close the end side down. Repeat this same process for the rest of the 11 aborayage and rice balls. Serve on a plate and sprinkle black sesame seeds on top. Notes: 1 perfect sushi rice. Nutrition: calories, 200 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 42 grams. Protein, 4 grams. Sodium, 129 milligrams. Potassium, 61 milligrams. Sugar, 2 grams. Calcium, 14 milligrams. Iron, 0.5 milligrams. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name: Khaled Zubair.